In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create hollow outline text in Canva. This is a great technique to make your text stand out, and it's quite simple once you get the hang of it. Whether you're working on a presentation, creating graphics for social media, or just want to add a bit of flair to your designs, this method will certainly elevate your work. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Canva. If you haven't already, open your browser and navigate to Canva's website. It's a fantastic online design tool that's both powerful and user-friendly, perfect for beginners and pros alike. If you haven't made an account yet, you'll want to do that first. Simply follow the prompts to sign up and log in. Once you're logged in, it's time to create a new design. You can do this by clicking on the Create a Design button. This is usually located at the top right of the screen. Depending on your needs, choose either a custom size or a preset option for whatever project you're working on, be it an Instagram post, a flyer, or anything else that fits your creative vision. Next, it's time to add your text. Click on the text tool on the left-hand toolbar. You have a few options here. Add a heading, subheading, or just simple text, and feel free to type out whatever you need displayed in your design. Position it wherever it makes the most sense for your layout. Now that your text is in place, select your text by clicking on it once. This will bring up a range of editing options right above your design workspace. Look for the Effects button in this toolbar. Give it a click. This opens up a whole host of text effect options that Canva provides. Scroll through the Effects menu until you spot the Outline or Splice option. Each of these can give you a hollow text effect, but they have slightly different looks. Outline creates a simple border around your text, whereas Splice offers a slightly more stylized cutout effect. Choose the one that best suits your design needs and preferences. Finally, to personalize the effect even more, you'll want to adjust the outline's thickness and color. With the effect applied, you'll see sliders or color pickers appear. These allow you to fine-tune how thick or thin the outline is and what color it should be. This flexibility lets you match your design's theme or make your text pop in any way you like. And that's it. You've successfully created hollow outline text in Canva. Remember, as you continue experimenting with different designs, the best approach is to play around with these settings to see what works best for you. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to tune in for more creative tips and tutorials.